Right, back we go. It is February 13th, Saturday. Going over somebody's stocks and where they could be moving, and let's check it out. APRE, 18 million float, 148 million market cap. Biopharma develops, commercializes cancer therapeutics. It reactivates mutant P53 tumor suppressor protein. All right, we went over this one before. This had the big channel down from 2020 back and forth. Then it dropped like a rock. Failed drug, failed study, whatever it was. And then it started to grind, 6, got to the 8 level. There's nothing back here. You can go to 15 to 20. So, on this is important that do they have other drugs? I'm not sure. Just looking at news here. Guys undervalued. 14 people are saying. All right. So I'm not sure if they have more than one drug. It doesn't look like it. I mean, leave a comment if you have information on that. So this is doing the grinding motion here. Right here, 1320 EMA coming down. Yeah, this could fall back a little bit, maybe to 6, then another bounce. Usually when it gets up right here, you don't see really a drop. It's possible it could do that, then come back up again. It's clear skies here. This is very speculative stock because of the failed drug. So this is one to keep your eye on. Look for news. Look for something, maybe they do a partnership or something. Maybe they get in the COVID space. They see how profitable that is. If they're smart, they would do that. But look for that action here. Right now, it's been a nice move here. We'll see if this holds right here at this like 675 zone and bounces, because that's where your 13 EMA is. All right, ABUS. 63 million float, 368 million market cap. Biopharma company engages in discovery, development, and commercialization of cure for patients suffering chronic hepatitis B infection in the United States. And let's take a look at this. So we've talked about this one too. So this has this 5 line. At the big drop, 2018, sideways, dropped again, $1, bounced to 350. Look at this double bottom. 1, 2, work our way up. Came down to 2. Look at this rip. Right here, then a little move back, then it took off. And then this big candle here, this big bearish candle. This one as high as 902, then dropped. But then the drop, people are like, oh, it's over, but look where it dropped to. You have a trend line now, all the way from May. 1, 2, 3, 4. Say this is 5. So 5 points, and this is closing and this is squeezing now. You have an ascending triangle going up, and it needs to get over this 5 level. It tried here, came back. So that's the big mark. You know where this is going to be attracted to. That 5 level might move above a little bit, might, do a huge move like that, a huge candle. And then your low here is really pretty much 375. I'm not sure if it'll go to 350. Keeps bouncing. It keeps getting higher. So this is very good long setup. All right. ABUS. V-Ray. $140 million float, 766 million market cap. Announces appointment of Phil Spencer to its board of directors. Designs, manufactures, and markets radiation therapy systems. All right, this is another one. This had to move 950, drop down, big gap. Went all the way to 250, then we bounced. Look at that, right to the bottom of the gap, 450. And we couldn't hold it. Then went down below 150 to like 1. Then we start to rise, 350. Then this motion, see this up and down, then went to 450, then really took off to 7 plus. And so this filled the gap. This was a gap filled. Now it came back. back testing, but that's okay. Look at the lows. Each time the low is pretty much getting higher. So you went to 450, and now we're coming up again. We're coming back. We found a base, it looks like, and I think we're going to rise up and test that 725 again. And your low right here, that 450 is a strong hold now. It's strong support. Look at this. Big cluster here, here. That's a very good sign when you see that. So this is looking very promising to the long side on V-Ray. That's it. Please subscribe to Mike Gammon Trades. Smash the like button. Leave comments about the stocks. Any information, put the information in the video I do. I appreciate that. And what do I have? Mike Gammon Trades on StockTwits. Mike J Trades on Twitter. Instagram, MikeFrank98. And that's it. Trying to do a lot of videos today. Peace.